everyone, I'm Rena. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, hello there, welcome to Renee's Kitchen. So today we're gonna make the rich, hot, creamy, peppery carrot soup, which is ridiculously easy. So let's get started. First, in a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and spread it all over the cooker. And now add 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and saute it for 2 minutes. Now add a half sliced onion and saute it for more 2 minutes or until the onions get golden brown color. Now add 1 small potato and saute it for more 2 minutes. Now in it add 1 sliced carrot and give it a good mix and saute it for more 2 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. Now add 1/3 cup of water and give it a good mix. Now allow the vegetable to cook up till 4 whistles. Now as you all can see, after the 4 whistles, my vegetables are turned out soft. So I'm going to just put them into a blender and I'm going to blend them. After blending them, it should look like this, and I'm going to put them in a pan. After putting it in the pan, I'm just going to give it a good mix for more 5 minutes on low flame, and I'm going to add the leftover water in it so that it gets a soupy consistency. I'm just going to mix it and just going to allow it to boil. Now in it, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and going to give it a good mix. And yes, my soup is ready. No, wait. It's carrot soup. Yes, my carrot soup is ready. And yep, if you like this recipe, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.